students, continue with chapter 5 differentiation. Today our topic is derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Here are formulae of derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. You please pause the video and note down all the formulae. Now we derive derivative of sine inverse x. Let y equal to sine inverse x, then x equal to sine y. Now differentiating with respect to y, dx upon dy is equal to cos y. But cos y equal to root 1 minus sine square y, as cos square y plus sine square y equal to 1. Now dx upon dy equal to root 1 minus sine square y and sine y equal to x. So dx upon dy equal to root 1 minus x square, and dy by dx is 1 upon dx upon dy, where dx upon dy not equal to 0 and x not equal to plus minus 1 here, and we can write dy by dx equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Doing one more formula, derivative of tan inverse x. Let y equal to tan inverse x, then x equal to tangent y. Differentiating with respect to y, derivative of x with respect to y, dx upon dy equal to secant square y, and secant square y is 1 plus tan square y. So dx upon dy equal to 1 plus x square, where x is tangent y, and dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So we can find derivatives of all inverse trigonometric functions, but sometimes we need substitution in doing the questions. Here there is no hard and fast rule for suitable substitution, but I give you some useful suggestions for proper substitution in solving questions. If function contains an expression in the form 1 minus x square, put x equal to sine theta or cos theta. A square minus x square, put x equal to a sine theta or a cos theta. If it contains 1 plus x square, put x equal to tangent theta or cot theta. A square plus x square, put x equal to a tangent theta or a cot theta. If x square minus 1, put x equal to secant theta or cosecant theta. X square minus a square, put x equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. In root a minus x upon a plus x or root a plus x upon a minus x, put x equal to a cos theta. By these substitutions, we are able to make our question simple, because then we can make some formula. Now we solve some questions related to derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Y is equal to sine inverse x root x. Find dy by dx. Here we can write y equal to sine inverse x raised to power 3 by 2. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x raised to power 3 by 2 whole square, and derivative of x raised to power 3 by 2 by chain rule. Dy by dx equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x cube into 3 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2, and this equal to 3 by 2 root x upon under root 1 minus x cube. Second question, y equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x. Find dy by dx. Here we know 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2 and sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So y equal to tan inverse 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This equal to tan inverse tangent x by 2. From chapter 2, we know it becomes now y equal to x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. So students, here I tell you, first we will simplify the given function and then we will do differentiation. Question number 3, y equal to cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Find dy by dx. Here we have 1 plus x square and according to given guidelines we can put x equal to tangent theta and theta becomes tan inverse x. Now y equal to cos inverse 2 tangent theta upon 1 plus tan square theta and this equal to cos inverse sin 2 theta. Changing sin 2 theta into cos, we get sin 2 theta equal to cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Y equal to cos inverse cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta and we get y equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Put value of theta, it becomes pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to derivative of pi by 2 is 0 minus 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. I hope you are able to do substitutions by practice these guidelines. Now your home assignment is exercise 5.3. Thank you.